Hi, it's Nat and Kristy here from Clever Curl and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be running through the frequently asked curly questions. So Nat, are you ready to answer your first frequently asked Clever Curl curly question?
Sure am. Hit me with it.
Let's go. Will the cleanser clean my hair and scalp?
Very good question and good throw. Yes, the cleanser will clean your hair and scalp. So we often recommend, actually we always recommend to cleanse twice. So your first cleanse is going to clean the dirt, oils and build-up off your scalp. And then the second cleanse is going to go in there and really clean that scalp without any of that debris in the way. So it's super important that you definitely cleanse twice and up to a minute generally. So it will definitely clean your hair and scalp.
I like to use the scalp brush to help.
Yeah, scalp brush is amazing. Clever Curl has a scalp brush and it's beautiful. You get a little head massage in there. It's lovely. Okay.
Beautiful. All right. Now, Nat, you can go and say.
All right, second question. Are you ready?
Hope so.
No, so.
I know so.
Okay. Is Clever Curl safe for coloured hair?
Absolutely. All the Clever Curl products are safe for hair. Great shot as well. They are so gentle and contain aloe. When they open up the cuticle, especially the cleanser, it's very gentle in opening. So you're never going to have any colour loss with the Clever Curl range.
We often like to say that it's a colour lock too. Hey? So when you get your fresh colour, particularly those high fashion colours, your bright reds or your pastels, it's perfect to lock that colour in for longer too.
Next question.
All right.
I might get one from the bottom.
Okay.
Ooh, I'm experiencing. Let's start again. Word salad. I'm experiencing an itchy scalp. What should I do, Nat?
Oh, good question. So if you are experiencing an itchy scalp, it's most likely got to do with the cleansing stage in your wash day routine. So again, like I was sort of speaking about before with the first question, it is super important that you're always cleansing twice. Scalp health is just as important as happy, healthy curls because it always starts from the scalp.
That it does. All right, Natto. Another question?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. I hope it's a juicy one. Ooh. I'm new to the Curly Girl method. How do I use the Clever Curl products? Great question.
Big question. Really, really big question. So after I answer this question, if this still doesn't really pertain to you, what I would say is please give us a call or go to your nearest Clever Curl specialist. We have a salon locator on our website, which is perfect to use to find your nearest Clever Curl stockist, because that question is so broad and everyone is so different in their routines and
Curl type,
just everything. Like, are you just starting your curly journey or have you been on it for a while? There's just so much to discuss and your curl specialist is the best person for that. However, just to round things up, generally it's a 4-step approach. So a cleanser, a conditioner, either light or rich, or a curl treatment. And then you want your stylers, so a leave-in product, either Wonderfoam or curl cream, and then a sealer, so one of your gels, your Humid gel or your dry gel. So it's pretty simple. You want to cleanse, condition, leave in and seal. Depending on what's going to suit you best, we do have sachets available. So they are the best thing to use so you can trial and tweak and see what's going to work for you. Did that answer the question? I hope so.
Yeah, I think you did.
Roundabout.
Yeah.
Hey. Last question.
Okay.
You ready? For now.
I think so.
We'll be back.
We will be.
Okay, let's go. Your favourite question. It is. Is the range Curly Girl approved?
Absolutely. It is. All the products in the Clever Curl range are CG approved.
Yes, absolutely. We made sure when we were developing the range that we were speaking with the curly girls of the world, you know, and curl specialists, and that was our first intention, that it had to be curly girl approved. So the entire range is curly girl, 100% curly girl approved.
Thank you for watching our Clever Curl YouTube channel. If you have any other questions that we haven't answered, please comment below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to our Clever Curl page. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.